everybody, it's Evan the Legend here with another vlog. And yeah, I got my bike here, and I'm gonna leave it sit there, and I'm gonna go down in the woods down here. It's like a little walk path thing. I thought it'd be a good idea to go down here for a vlog. You know, vlog life, dude. Sheesh, be a legend. You know what I'm saying? Only legends go down in history, bro. So there's like a bunch of cinder blocks, a bunch of tree branches just lying on the ground. And yeah, I'll be back in a bit. I'm not even trying to lie, bro. I feel like I'm in a jungle. Bro. Bro. This is sick, not gonna lie. Yeah, there's literally mud puddles here. There's hornets, wasps, whatever you want to call them. Birds all everywhere. I love nature, bro. Until I get bird shit in my head. Funny. No, I'm joking. I'm not funny. Yeah. You guys ain't gonna believe what I just found. I literally found like some secret base type thing in here. Bro. What is this? That hurt. Ow. Yo, dude, you got... Oh my god, bro. That is sick. Okay, I'll show you guys the rest of this place. Okay, I'm actually in the middle of the thing. There's a bunch of like weird branches hanging down. It's like a little place down under there. Places under there, underneath that log. Well, not log, but a tree that fell down over there. There's a bunch of stuff, yo. That's cool. That's actually gonna be pretty cool, bro. Like, there's like so much to explore. Stop, branch. There's like so much to explore around here. There's like more up. There might be like more up on the hill. There's like a hill up there. So I'm gonna go check it out. Meet you guys there. Yo, no way. There's literally a hill up here. It's like a place beyond there, but it's a bunch of weeds and jaggers. Just jaggers. I hate you, jaggers. Yeah. So you get. I'm not funny. Bro. My daughter's that jagger. Bro. Yeah, I might have forgot about my bike back there. I think I should go back to it. Yo. Bro, this is lit, bro. I'll be back at the bike. Okay, guys, as I'm heading back to the bike, I saw like some weird, strange change. There was like that. There was like a bird, like sitting right there before I got to even record it. It was sitting there, and it already moved. And I'm not even lying, bro. I literally saw a worm or whatever. Something came out of its mouth. Dude, I ran. I literally ran backwards, and I ran back, and I left. And then I messed up as I should have started recording there. That was weird. He was like, bro. Okay, this time we will actually be back at the... Wait, actually, no, wait. I see a vine. Vine! I miss Vine, come back. I'm joking. Oh. Yo! Yo, I'm actually down to hit this vine. Oh! Oh well, who cares, ain't mine. Yo! Ew. There's another dead bird! Yo, I found like 2 dead birds today. What's wrong with birds dying? What's wrong with the birds dying, bro? Bro, I feel like a bird's getting abused up there, bro. It's okay, bird. Who are the birds? Oh, shit. Dang it. So much happening right now. Oh! Dude, shit just came flying out of their ass. Shit just came flying out of their ass. Ah! Here. Like, what's wrong with birds today? Bro, I saw one dead bird in that alley, but I didn't get it on vlog. And then there's a bird sitting down there, dead. What's happening? I'm scared, Loki. Bro. If you guys enjoyed today's vlog, make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Peace.